on Raglan Road of an autumn day I saw.
Hello, I'm Richard Bruton, TD. I'm here in Dail Eireann today, and I'm here to promote Feilire. It's a wonderful calendar that has been produced, and its purpose is to promote the Irish language. There's some beautiful images, as you'll see, and of course my favourite is images of Dublin, my own area. But the purpose of this is, of course, to gain an international audience for the Irish language, and this will be promoted throughout the world by the sponsors. There's also a very important charitable purpose, and there are two really important charities who will be supported by this, St. Vincent de Paul and the Peter McVerry Trust. So I'd ask you to support this and look online for your opportunity to get this beautiful calendar.
Grief be a fallen leaf at the dawning of the day. On Grafton Street in November we trip lightly along